In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve or limit devices as an admin in Dropbox. We'll explore how to manage device access effectively using tools like device approvals and enterprise mobility management, ensuring your team maintains productivity while safeguarding sensitive data. First, let's dive into the device approvals feature. This tool provides the flexibility to control how many devices each team member can link, both for desktop and mobile apps. This doesn't function as a traditional approval request system, but it offers a robust alternative by setting parameters. You'll begin by logging into the Dropbox admin console using your admin account. Once you're in, head over to the Settings tab and navigate down to Security. Within Security, scroll to find the Devices section where you'll see a Device Approvals subsection. Here, you have the power to determine the number of devices, both for computers and mobiles, that a user is permitted to link. This step gives you a structured approach to balancing flexibility with security. Next, you need to decide on a protocol for disconnected devices. You have two primary options. Choose Remove to automatically eliminate a device from their approved list once disconnected, or opt for Keep, meaning the device will remain on their list until specifically removed by an admin. This decision will help you manage your team's devices more seamlessly, reducing potential clutter and confusion. Once a team member reaches their device limit, you face the choice of how to handle excess devices. You can remove the oldest devices to make space, disconnect them all to strictly enforce the limit, or make an exception for certain users, allowing them to bypass these restrictions. This last option is particularly handy for roles that require additional flexibility, like IT personnel or executives. In a bid to bolster security even further, consider setting your web session policies. These settings determine how long a user can stay logged into Dropbox.com. You can fix a duration for sessions or set an automatic logout that activates after a period of inactivity. Once all your settings are configured to your satisfaction, don't forget to click Save to ensure these changes go into effect. These measures provide a structured yet flexible way to maintain control over device access. While it doesn't involve approvals on a device-to-device basis, it effectively manages and limits the number of linked devices, allowing for straightforward oversight. Finally, let's talk about how to unlink or remove specific devices. Should a particular device need to be blocked or removed, return to the admin console. Choose Members, then select the relevant member and navigate to their Devices section. From here, you can remotely unlink the device. Additionally, you have the option to delete the Dropbox content from that device, which can be crucial for maintaining data integrity following any removal. By understanding and utilizing these features, you'll ensure that your team is both productive and secure.